Stephanie, where are we?
Oh, we are at New York Hotel and Casino. We're about to go into a Hershey store. Because if Danica knows one thing about me, she knows my weakness. And that is Hershey's chocolate. So she wants to exploit my weaknesses now.
Ooh, look how pretty. All right, we are here.
Chocolate!
Chocolate?
Sweet chocolate!
Chocolate? Here you go, Stephanie. This thing just filled with chocolate. Look at it compared to my hand.
It's a piggy bank.
But if it was chocolate.
I know plenty of ways I could use this. Lots and lots of strawberry milk.
Ooh!
I like your hair.
Thank you. Do they have anything vegan? I'm gonna ask. Because I want to eat something chocolatey. Yum. Yes. More chocolate. They have nothing vegan. I don't want to get copyrighted by this music. Ah! Oh look, it's a Hershey's Statue of Liberty. Is it actually real chocolate?
Yeah.
The chocolate Statue of Liberty. 800 pounds of Hershey's milk chocolate. Wow. 8,258 Hershey bars. Just quote SpongeBob the entire time we're in here. It's all Reese's. Lots of orange. Oh, it goes on forever. Look how big this store is. Oh my my my. Oh my my my. Wow, looks like they used to have like ice cream yogurt. That's kind of like cool. What?
I don't think they're running right now,
I
but
know.
it's froyo.
That's cool. Woo. Well, they have buy one get one half off shirts and stuff. Oh my goodness! I see the Hello Kitty Cafe. I don't know if it's open, but I'm so excited to see it. Oh no, it's closed. It's so pretty though. Oh, I love it. I swear I'm always cheating in my videos and not eating vegan stuff. But this is like Reese's. Oh, I'm sorry. Wait, it's cookie dough. It's like chocolate chip, and then he had a Reese's Pieces on it.
Thanks,
so yeah, I'm excited. Thank you.
You're welcome.
And what did you get? You too?
I got the chocolate cookie dough with Kit Kat and crumbles.
Yum. Ooh, look how cool the New York little like cafe or cafeteria area is. I can't talk. This is so cute. Ooh. Look at that. Whoa. Look at these lights up here. Sad news, guys. The Froyo in New York is closed. But good news. Look how pretty and magical this is. Ooh, it's so bright. So pretty. Wow, this is so cool. So pretty.
What the shoe?
Totally take a picture. Okay.
You fit. I fits, I sits. In the shoe.
Oh yeah. If I pass out, I'm gonna pass out here, guys.
Where are places to be drunk and pass out in Vegas? Just a photo collection of places me has passed out. Oh my goodness, look how cute this Alice in Wonderland area is. Wow. Sit at the table, down the rabbit hole. These little army men. Wow, this is rad. I love it. There's a bunny here. And they have the beautiful chandeliers. This is so awesome. I did not know this, but in Vegas, if you go to CVS, you can gamble. That's hilarious. That is so funny.
You'll see them at you'll see them at gas stations, you'll see them at grocery stores, you'll see them at Walgreens and CVS. That's how you know you're in Vegas.
By the way, this is Vegas, or Natasha, but I call her Vegas.
Which when we're in Vegas is kind of an oxymoron, so in Orlando it makes sense, but
Yes. We were on Rocky Cast together back in the day.
back in the day. Now we gotta find her flip-flops.
Well, I wanted to get a Hello Kitty Cafe souvenir that said Las Vegas on it, but since they were closed, I guess I'll just get this. It's so cute! Yay! All right, we are at the Conservatory at the Bellagio. Wait, first of all, look how
I
pretty
my
this
sunglasses
is.
on. That was kind of dumb.
All right, wow! Come on. All right, let's go. So pretty. Gotta get the hand sanitizer.
Gotta be safe.
Hello Kitty! She said the clock works.
Yeah, that actually works.
It's really cool. Insanely pretty, oh my goodness. These are all real flowers. Insane. Wow. All real flowers up there too. I totally love that they're playing Halsey's Hurricane, the instrumental version right now. Oh, hello Kitty! So pretty.
So you have flowers all over there, but I don't think many people are gonna notice this. These are grains of rice. I'm pretty sure these are grains of rice. And if they're not, I don't know what the hell they are, but they look like grains of rice.
I truly cannot stop looking at this. It's just a bunch of little roses. And it's so pretty. Her whole head is just white roses. Oh, those things some black ones too for her whiskers?
Either that or they were spray painted black, but everything else is, I mean, this entire thing is roses.
Yeah, I mean, it's insane. So pretty.
Her eyes, I'm not sure what her eyes are. Her eyes look like beans almost.
Yeah, some kind of little round thing.
They're not rice, like on the dragon, but...
So beautiful.
This is Vegas's version of flowering garden.
Oh, wait, here, we are to be featured for the first time, the world famous Hello Kitty standing 16 feet tall. Wow. 30,000 roses.
Yeesh.
Beautiful.
Imagine if Flowering Garden had her.
Oh yeah, be awesome.
That's pretty awesome. Welcome to Flowering Garden Vegas style, I guess.
This is so pretty. Wanted to show you guys the back of her.
Oh, I didn't see the back.
That's so pretty. Gorgeous. Well, I'm very happy. I love Hello Kitty so much. Well guys, even the front desk. And then the flowers back there. Looks like, I think they might be made out of roses and some kind of flowers as well. So pretty. And the ceiling. Wow. This guy too. Actual flowers. I love this. vibe, but like I like this. Very pink. Oh yeah, the drumming. The legs are kind of weird, but I like the rest of it. Art. Ooh.
For a high-end shop. Well, there is an art gallery here.
Oh, I would love to go look at that. Of course, the casino. Wow, my mom would love this. Mom, this is in the Bellagio. Look how cute.
It's a home store.
Ooh. Looks so pretty in there, all the Christmas. Oh, here we go.
This is it.
The world's largest, oh my God. Okay, so here's the bottom.
Mom, the fact that this is closed makes me sad because I would say that.
Oh my God, it goes up forever. Here you go, guys, the world's largest chocolate fountain, real chocolate.
I think part of the fact that it's so large is because there's a mirror up there.
It's over 500 feet of stainless steel piping. Chocolate rises 27 vertical feet from the lower level pump room. 2 years of engineering, planning, and design. Of course, it's in the world records. The largest chocolate fountain measures 8 meters, so 26 feet and 3 inches tall, and carries 2 tons of chocolate at a rate of 120 quarts per minute.
Dude, now I want chocolate. And this place is closed.
Hey guys, here's me from the world's largest chocolate fountain, proof that I'm here. Wow, look at how pretty these cakes are. Tell us about this, Vegas.
Okay.
Or Natasha.
Close enough.
For those who don't know.
All right, 170 hours over 4 weeks to complete by 2 of Bellagio's pastry chefs. The sculpture weighs approximately 70 pounds and is 6 feet tall. 2 different chocolates were used, white chocolate for the zebra and dark chocolate for the O. 55 pounds of sugar was used to create the pool, quote unquote, of water, and then the stripes of the zebra were painted by hand and took over 20 hours to complete. So yeah, that thing is chocolate.
For those who don't know, I'm only 5 feet tall, so that thing is taller than me. That's rad. Guys, they have Bellagio spirit jerseys. That's so funny.
You're surprised by a spirit jersey?
Isn't Disney the only one who has them?
No!
Oh, I thought it was a Disney thing.
Disney has spirits.
No, I totally thought it was a Disney thing. Wow, I'm just so like, how did I not know that?
Y'all are the OG spirit jersey.
Dang, it's crazy.
Look at these shot glasses.
Ooh, so pretty, all the flowers.
I wish I brought my cardigan. I'd have totally gotten
Ooh,
Bellagio.
how much are they?
Jersey.
$6?
$6.
I'm a shot glass collector. I have over 200, so.
Wait, you have over 200 shots?
Wait,
This
what
is
are
why
these?
your nickname's Vegas. No.
I have a drinking problem, thank you.
What is
I mean,
I don't know, smell the candle.
like a flower.
Maybe a rose.
Poppies.
Poppies?
Poppies. It's called Poppy Fields.
Oh, well, obviously we don't read here, so.
Poppies.
I really like these cute ornaments. Like, look at that. It's a little snowman and Santa Claus and gingerbread man. These are really cute ornaments. Look how cool. It has like green lights, and the lights are when it's nighttime.